Welcome to Born for Homeschool. I'm Rachel Bourne. Over the past 5 summers, I have become a homeschool summer planning expert. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to read through all of our children's picture books. We're going to go on weekly adventures, the beach, state parks, museums, the zoo. We're also going to take weekly trips to our library. I'm going to sign the kids up for swim lessons. We're going to do all of the fun, messy art projects outside. Also, we're going to study France. I hope you know by now that we are not going to do all of those things this summer. I'm slightly ashamed to say that I started planning our summer and I literally had every single one of those items on the list for this summer. And I started to feel completely overwhelmed and stressed out, and summer hadn't even started yet. And then I realized, wait a second, this is too much. This is not going to accomplish any of the goals that I have for this summer. So I started thinking about what our plans really should be for this summer. There was no way that I could do everything that I had on my list to do for this summer. And not only was there no way to do everything, but I didn't want to do everything. I didn't want to cram all of this into the summer. So I have read the book Essentialism by Greg McKeown, and one of the ideas in his book is to focus on the vital few. And I really do believe that there are a few vital things that I want to do for this summer, a few vital things that would be really important to the hearts of my children and our family. So I really wanted to choose 3 things that would be worth investing our time and energy and effort into this summer. And so the first thing I decided was relaxing family time. I wanted that to be a priority for this summer. The second thing I wanted to include was time outdoors. It's so beautiful here, and I wanted to make sure we got lots and lots and lots of time outdoors. And the third thing that I chose for this year were books. I wanted to have lots and lots of books. I wanted to read books, I wanted to listen to books, I wanted to read books to my kids, I wanted them to be able to read the books that they wanted. And so I just wanted this summer to be full of books and stories. In seeking to simplify our schedules and keep things life-giving and energizing and relaxing, I have also been thinking about if it's not a hard yes, then it's a no. And that's something I'm really striving for this summer. If the opportunity isn't a hard yes for fitting into the categories of relaxing family time or time outside or time with books and stories and literature, then I'm going to say no to it, just to keep the peace and margin and simplicity that I think is so important for summertime. So our summer schedule will look something like this. Lots and lots of time outdoors. And I think the key to this will be morning time outdoors because it can get really warm here in the afternoon. Also, we are going to take some weekly adventures, and whether that is to a library to just enjoy being there and checking out books, or if it's maybe to the beach to have some relaxing family time there. We are going to have some family adventures. And then that's it. I'm just going to plan one thing a week that we can do together that will be fun and enjoyable and will be life-giving and relaxing for this summer. So my encouragement to you as you're looking into summer plans and everything that you want to do for this summer is to pick the vital few for your summer. It could be 3 things, it could be 5 things, just carefully choosing the things that you do that will bring life and encouragement and blessing to not just you, but to your kids and your family, getting you ready for the school year that's coming in the fall. Time to just recharge your batteries and spend this special time together. I would love for you to leave a comment below and tell me the number of vital things that you are going to do this summer and the things that you are going to do that will bless your family and encourage your hearts and have you ready and excited about the school year this fall. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for weekly tips and tricks, information, and encouragement to simply support your homeschool. See you next time.